Hi guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Hi guys, I'm Raging DJ and I'm here to present to you Philodrill Corporation Fundamentals, Timeline, and Visions. So sa stock market, ang kanyang ticker symbol ay OV. So let's go guys. So disclaimer lang guys, all information came from PSE Edge and official Philodrill website. I am not affiliated to the company. So I would like to make a fundamental analysis of this company because of the latest news this January 19, 2021. So napakabagong news lang po nito guys, and it says, this came from Business World. Philodrill is operator of onshore gas exploration project in Mindoro. So according to the news, the listed company is now the operator of petroleum service contract number 53 or the onshore Mindoro natural gas exploration project. So we've seen in the past days na lahat ng mining stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange are booming. Okay? They're reaching the ceiling levels na po generally back-to-back in several days. So it's important to study the fundamentals so that especially the newbies would know what they are investing. So the vision of the company is to be the leading publicly listed company with a wide portfolio of oil and gas projects in the Philippines. And with this, they will help attain the ultimate goal of energy self-sufficiency for the country, the Philippines. So let's go to the timeline of the company. It was incorporated in 1969 as an oil exploration company with the name Philippine Overseas Drilling and Oil Development Corporation. On the year 1970 to 1980s, early in its long history, the company saw its successful participation in the drilling of several oil discoveries in the offshore Palawan area. So the main locality back then was just Palawan area. So in the year 1980s, the company petroleum revenues started to taper off. Therefore, a strategic decision was made to diversify out of purely petroleum operations. The company consequently made investments in the property development, manufacturing, mining, and financial service sectors. So since 2004, the Philodrill profitably operates 3 marginal fields located off northwest Palawan and is also a partner in the Galok field, which remains as the largest oil-producing field in the Philippines. So again, to sustain profitability, they also made investments in mining, infrastructure, and financial services. So, what are the business of this company? So, ano nga ba yung mga current ownership niya? So, I will be running to you one by one lahat ng mga service contract nila as well as all their petroleum drilling operation or related project. So, they have many, they have day-to-day operations in El Nido, Matinloc, and North Matinloc fields located offshore northwestern Palawan. They also have involvement in Galok field, which is currently the largest oil-producing field in the country. They also have some service contract 6A, the Octon block, and the service contract 6B or the Bonita block. So this is again located in northwestern Palawan. Furthermore, they also have service contract 14C, which is the Wesley Napakan field, service contract 53, service contract 74, as well as several northwestern Palawan oil fields. So, in the subsequent slides, I will be showing to you all the service contracts na involved itong si Philodrill Corporation. So, ito guys. So, nakita nyo, they have 13, again, emphasis, 13 service contract areas that are currently operational. So, the first one would be the service contract 6A, the Octon area. They own around 50% of this service contract. Next, we have service contract 6B or the Bonita area. They own around 60% together with Phoenix Gas and Oil. Next, we have service contract 14A at El Nido area. They own around 26% of this contract. Next, we have service contract 14B or the Matinloc area. They own around 41%. For the next one, we have service contract 14B1, the North Matinloc area. They own around 33%. The next one, service contract 74 or the Linapakan area, which they own around 25%. The next, we have service contract 14C1 or the Galok area, which they own around 7%. Next, we have service contract 14C2, the Wesley Napakan area, which they own around 28%. They also own service contract 14D or the retention block, around 33.7%. They also own Tara block, around 27.5%. For the latest changes 2021, service contract 53, the Philodrill now owns 81.48%. He also owned the Swan Block. They're currently negotiating for Philodrill's participation in service contract number 57 and number 58, specifically in northwestern Palawan. They own around 33%. And lastly, the Sulusi, the formerly service contract number 41, the Philodrilla submitted a joint bid with PhilX Petroleum. This is the PECR4 area number 15. So nakita nyo guys, ang dami nilang service contract, around 13. And all of them are operational and some of them are under negotiation. So especially hearing the news about joint exploration between the Philippines and the China, we could get some advantage in trading these stocks. Especially we've seen how this went ceiling in the past several days already. So now I'll be presenting to the structure of the company. So the Philodrill Corporation, which is the parent company, under it owns 100% the Philodrill Power Corporation, around 40% the Penta Capital Investment Corporation, and around 13% the Penta Capital Holdings Incorporated. So the major ownership of this company is their Power Corporation that involves the petroleum products as well as the service contracts. So I would like also to present to you the financials of the company on the year 2017, 2018, and 2019. So just check on the net worth of the company at the end of the year. These are reflected in 1,000 pesos. So consistently, they have a net worth of around 3 to 3.5 million, as you can see here. And in terms of the revenues from petroleum operations, from the year 2017 to 2019, there's a slight decline from around 400,000 or 380,000 to 250,000 just this year's 2019. So this is the Philodrill's Corporation Fundamentals, Timeline, and Visions. Thank you guys for listening. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Hi guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.